Hello, this is day number 2 and day number 3 for the progression of our first house guests that are staying in our birdhouse with a webcam. This is the northern house wren, and you can see here that the twigs are laid out, and from day number 1 that the male does, and then the female chooses which nesting site she wants to use. So we were fortunate that of all the different nesting sites that the male offered, that the female chose this one. So I'm really happy about that. I'm also using a restrictor or a reducer that will take the entry hole from 1.5 to 1 1/8 to keep out larger birds. I'm not going to talk through the whole video, but I am going to share some interesting insights that I think you'll also find really interesting. So also you'll notice here that the female is trying to pull in the twig. Now the female and the male look pretty much identical. But I'm guessing this is the female because this is characteristic of female northern house wrens, that they have a hard time with twigs getting them in. So I think their eyes are bigger than their beaks. One thing I just want you to notice, or that I noticed as well, was that once she kind of laid, or they laid, because they both at this point will start building the nest, they lay down the twigs, but they also do layers. So they also bring in pine needles as a layer to provide some cushion and stability. She also brings in feathers and leaves that you'll see. You'll also notice that sometimes she might bring in, or he might bring in, some white spider nests. And those nests, or sacs really, are spider eggs, and those are used when they hatch. They help control the mite population and take care of that. So it really is amazing how these instincts that these birds have, and you will soon find out that I am not a believer in regular evolution. I believe that God exists, and that these are His creations, and that we are all created by a loving Creator, including these wrens. But anyway, so I'm going to stop talking and let you sit back and watch. And again, if this is a little slow for you, feel free to watch this on high speed. It is really fascinating to see the progression of these nests. Keep in mind that this is not going to be a regular nest. This is actually going to be more like a tunnel. It's really fascinating to watch. So this is day 2 and day 3, and she will still not stay overnight as they are building their little home. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share so that you can get more notifications and follow along with this amazing journey of this couple of northern house wrens. And I'm 99% sure that's what they are here in Ohio. So, enjoy.